Here comes the mini horse herd. Oh no! Wipeout! These tourists are in for a surprise. Get your cheetah close up soon.
Oh my god! Oh my god!